Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. Today we are going to be beginning part 2 of I Am Malala, which is called A Shadow Over Our Valley. We are going to start by reading chapter 6, which is called Radio Mula, and we are going to preview some vocabulary words that you will see in chapter 6. The first word is romanticized. That means to make something seem better than it really is. The next word is charisma. Charisma is an attractiveness or charm that can inspire devotion in others. The next word is trauma. Trauma is a deeply distressing or disturbing experience. The next word is campaigning. And when you campaign, you work in an organized and active way toward a particular goal. Typically, this is done in politics or socially. And lastly, the word is sanctuary. Sanctuary is a place of safety. All right, you're going to now read chapter 6 and head over to Google Classroom to complete today's assignments. Have a great day.